is Bioenergetic Alchemy. It is a body-mind approach to psychological, physical, and emotional health and well-being. Through this revolutionary series of exercises, we release stress, enhance our emotional well-being, and begin to open our heart to life. Bioenergetic alchemy is the integration of our body, our felt sense, our emotions, our mind, and our spirit. Deeply inspired by the work of Wilhelm Reich, Alexander Lowen and John Peirakoss, and from my personal teachers Gladstone and Amadis Cammel, it is a dynamic fusion of bioenergetics, core energetics, humanistic group process, breathwork, and active meditation. In bioenergetic alchemy, we work with our bodies to transform and to heal. In our classes, we begin with our felt sense and with grounding practices, which gives us the support and the foundation to feel safety. From here, we can then embody our own aliveness, our vitality, and our connection with the joy of life. The foundation of the bioenergetic alchemy practice system is based on the archetypal elements and our 4 basic emotions: earth, fear; water, grief; fire, anger; and air, joy. Within this map of the 4 elements, we deepen our relationship with the felt sense of our body, loosen and bring awareness to the 7 segments of body armouring. This is grounded in the theory of the 5 character structures developed by Wilhelm Reich and Alexander Lowen. Bioenergetic alchemy is for individuals interested in their own personal growth and healing. This body of work offers you many unique explorations and the possibility for deep experiential learnings about yourself, body, heart, and soul.